Hello, this is InstaForex TV with the fresh Forex news. The intervention at the currency market is a struggle of intellects in which the central bank tried to decide the market. The Swiss National Bank up to now was successful in its achievement of the goal with the help of intervention. Almost a year it has been restraining the euro-franc pair from falling below the rate of 1.48. However, the bank signaled about changes of its strategy last month. Since the economy of Switzerland is recovering from the recession, the central bank started to be more tolerant to the strengthening of the currency. Rather than to support at a certain threshold level, the Swiss National Bank now is more worried about the franc growth rates. Philipp Hildebrand, the president of the bank, earlier this week reminded the market about his promise to prevent the excessive growth of the currency. Nevertheless, the central bank may be in the situation when its struggle for reduction of the franc can intensify. Against the background of economic revival, the talks about probable uprise of the key interest rate in Switzerland will be louder. This will provide the support for the franc at the currency market, which is more oriented on the difference between interest rates than on the investor's propensity to risk. The last factor earlier promoted the franc strengthening, which is considered as a silent currency. Besides, the euro may be under the increasing downward pressure. The point is not only in fact that the eurozone recovery is disappointing. The data published last week showed that German GDP decreased by 5% last week. The fears concerning the default from the part of Greece are also growing. For the euro, the dynamics of which has already played out in comparison with the rates observed at the end of the previous year, the Greek tragedy easily can be the reason of the continual problems which will deprive the euro of their support in next months. For the Swiss National Bank, this is hardly good news. At present time, the speculators apparently left the market, because the fears of actions from the part of the Swiss National Bank safely keeps the euro-franc pair in the narrow range between 1.47 and 1.48. However, the longer the Swiss National Bank is trying to halt the speculators, the weaker its position is going to be as far as the increase of the upward pressure on the franc. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team and me, Kate Stichina. Goodbye.